will be there on the double whenever there's a problem. Round Adventure Bay, Ryder and his team of pups will come and save the day. Marshall, Rubble, Chase, Rocky, Zuma, Sky, yeah, they're on the way. Paw Patrol, whenever you're in trouble. Paw Patrol will be there on the double. No job's too big, no pup's too small. Paw Patrol, we're on a roll. So here we go, Paw Patrol, whoa-oh-oh. Paw Patrol, whoa-oh-oh. Paw Patrol.
Pups make a splash. Rubble on the double. Whee! Thanks, Katie.
Okay, Rocky, your bath's almost ready. Rocky?
Hey, it's bath day. I love a good warm bath.
Hi, Rubble. This tub's ready for Rocky, but I can't seem to find him. It's all yours.
Thanks, Katie. Ah, perfect.
Okay, now Rocky's bath. Has anybody seen him? Oh, Rocky! There you are. Come on. Now, where did he go? Rocky!
Hi, Katie. Is my bath ready?
Hello, Ryder here.
Oh, hi, Ryder.
Hi, Captain Turbot. What's up?
Well, I'm a bit embarrassed to report my boat is, I guess you'd say, stuck.
The flounder ran aground?
Afraid so, Ryder. I'm caught on some rocks and the tide's going out. If I can't get free, the flounder will end up in the bottom of the bay. Is it possibly within your Paw Patrol power to help?
Don't worry, Captain Turbot. No job is too big, no pup is too small. Paw Patrol to the lookout!
Ryder's calling. Aw, guess I'll have my bath later. When there's trouble, Rubble's there on the double.
To the lookout!
Ryder's calling. Gotta go. Whoa! Sorry, took that last turn a little too fast.